PowerGroupTrades. PowerGroupTrades. All right, people, I got a special video here for Apple and Tesla winning plans. Let me show you. Let's start with Apple first, people. All right, people, I'll start here with this post here, July 31st. Apple, the leader's back. I explain some new targets for Apple. I love this long-term investment. Again, you know, stock clown being, you know, the clown bookie being wrong. Let's take a look what I said. I'm going to click in here. Let's go take a look in the video here. And I'm going to actually put the video, I'm going to tell you some more information. All right, people, so I'm inside the video, and here you can see what I said here is Apple set up the test 202 to 205. Okay, I mean, this just destroyed my top targets already in just 2 days, right? And I explained some key facts in this video, and I talked about using the September 21 200 calls of perfect use. Now, of course, when I posted this is before these options cost $300. Okay, but we got a pretty good entry. It was possible, and I'm going to show you what I posted inside of PowerGroupTrades. So Apple needs to, what I said was I was going to post the confirmation inside of PowerGroupTrades. I gave the heads up though. Again, if you were a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, you know the facts. Again, I explained the big picture of Apple. I've been a long-term investor in Apple. I've been making so many winning plans in Apple, it's not funny. Now, don't worry, Tesla longs. I'm also the expert in Tesla as well. Let me show you what I said. We're going to be talking about Tesla as well, but first we're going to talk about Apple. Then we're going to go and take a look at the end results for Apple and Tesla. Let's take a look at the facts, people, here. All right, people, before we get to the Tesla plan, we're going to finish off what I said about the Apple. Then we're going to show the end results. So just stay tuned, people, okay? So basically what I said is here, Apple plan. This stock is in a perfect alignment on all time frames. The leader is back on track. And PowerGroupTrades, the number one analyst, right here, again, correct one. Number one, people. Let's take a look what I said in here. Well, let's take a look at my comments here. So basically what I said was Apple above 196 is a buy. It is as simple as that. Any dips will be a gift. So what happened was we didn't get much of a dip. In fact, the stock opened up around 199, but did pull back to the 198 area. The best I was able to get into the options, giving it some time to fluctuate, was $450 an option. Let me show you that. Then we'll get to Tesla, okay, people? So let's see what I post here. August the 1st, Apple, September 21 200 calls, bought on the dip at $450. Now, you see the options, what they cost at the time, right? Those options were like $300, right? So we had to pay almost 100%, okay, for them. But that's okay. Let's see the end result here. Again, these are greater than 100% gains, right? $450 as we tested 198. We'll look to add on. Now, basically, during that time, you could have bought those options between $445, not for very long. $445 was like for if you plan to buy them, and easily at $490 though. It was with your eyes closed, a person could have bought at $490. I happen to get four and a half. Some people could have got $490 easily. When I posted that, in fact, when I posted the confirmation, it started moving. But it was easy to get if you were executed the trade within about a minute or so. You were able to get no more within the $490 per option range. Again, still greater than 100% gains. All right, so in my live stream that talk about Tesla, and here's the plan for Tesla plan I posted. Now this was for August the 1st. Okay, you can see this is right now. I'm inside the thing that was 18 hours ago, right? You can see August the 1st, right? 8:04 p.m. Okay, the time's a little bit thing, but anyways, I posted this last night after my live stream. So let's take a look at here what I said. So basically, what I said is Tesla above 328, that is the start point of the move. Basically, I'm saying once we're above 328, that's when we want to look for entry. I also said this is bullish, but I want to look for the 333 break. Okay, so that's what we did. What they did is we opened up, they pulled it back. Okay, they pulled Tesla back, and then they rallied. That's where we bought the confirmation. They did fluctuate, right? You know, the options did fluctuate, right? You need at least 50. You got to give this room, okay? But in the end, let's take a look at the end result of thing. I said that Tesla is set up to test 340 to 350 quickly, and I decided to use the August 03 330 calls. Those were right in the money, and again, greater than 100% gains, people. Let's take a look at all the facts, people. Let's take a look. All right, people. So here you can see August the 2nd, Apple closed at 207.39. And the options, these 200 calls, see the September 21, the 200 calls cost are closed over $1,000 today, and that's in 2 days. See, that's big picture expert thinking. That's why I'm the big picture expert. And I want to show you more information on my life. I'm going to show you, listen up, people. You want to come to my YouTube channel. I want to show you a lot of great things, but this is Apple. Let's take a look at Tesla now. All right, people. So here we are, August the 2nd, and here's Tesla, and the calls closed at practically $2,000 a piece. Okay, now did I show, wait a second, 1 second here, I forgot to show you the confirmation. So here, Tesla confirming with the August 03 330 calls at $700. Now these also cost a lot more as well. Let's take a look at the cost of the option. So you can see we had to pay over 100% gains. Like we had to pay double, because the options on the close before earnings were $330. Okay, right over here, $330. Okay, but on confirmation, confirming with the August 03 330 calls at $700, greater than 100% gains. The stock clown and a lot of traders out there wish they have the vision and the plans that I can do. I demonstrate this over and over and over and over again. Power took a trade. All right, so quickly back here, as you can see, the close, $2,000 per option. Greater than 100% gains, stock clown. And this was with options that only had a few days left. See, you have to have skill, you have to have vision, and I explained it. So anyways, people, let's see. Let me show you something else now. All right, people, welcome to Power Circuit Trade. Confirmation is key. Listen up, people. You want to become a member side of Power Group Trades, okay? Basically, read what this pinned tweet says, and basically you want to go to my YouTube channel right over here, okay? And you got to get a welcome screen. It's going to look like this, right? I'm just too good. It's just too good. Customization here. All right, now listen up, people. You want to study my created playlist. To get inside to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, you want to go to my last live stream, August the 1st. You'll hear me talk about Tesla as well. But the Tesla, I made a plan for, I explained that I was bullish Tesla, that I was going to post the plan inside of Power Group Trades. Well, now, people, you are witnessing again just more winning plans. You know, I have so many winning plans in Google, Tesla, Apple, you name it. Listen, I want to show you something else, people. You want to go to my website here, and you want to subscribe, okay? So hit what you do to subscribe. Let me show you here. You want to see this video, okay? You want to hit subscriptions, and it'll bring you to this page here, and you fill this out, right? Hit the home page. All right, so basically, you want to see this video. This is a great story. We made 600% gains in Google in May 10th. We've had other winners as well, but this is one of the biggest winners we had in this year. Great gains in Amazon. These are all through the, and by the way, even so many Apple winning plans. Like if I show you, if we go to my blog over here, you should check out this video. Back in February, you know, people were very bearish, yet Power Circuit Trade made a huge 300% winning plan in Apple. Listen, people, I am the best. I am the big picture expert. So much to study. Open your eyes. Wake up from your slumber. People, listen, if you don't have a YouTube account, get one, subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to speak to you right now one-on-one. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. Again, people, there's a lot to study. Study my channel. Become a member side of Power Group Trades. You know, it's all there for the people who want the knowledge, who want to grow. And stay tuned for more great things. Subscribe to this channel. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it
and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like